welcome back to my channel. Now we are almost ready for Christmas. I can't believe how quickly the year has gone and the fact that we are now in gift buying season. So with that in mind, I thought I would share with you all some of my top picks for the beauty lovers that you might have in your life that you're struggling to buy for. So I'm going to start with something that I think everybody would love to unwrap on Christmas morning, because I know I would, and that is a perfume from Jo Malone. Now, I actually smelt this last weekend. I want to say I was walking around John Lewis. My local one's got a new Jo Malone stand. Couldn't help myself, went over, started sniffing all the perfumes. This, I think, is new. I hadn't smelled it before. I haven't smelled anything really like it either. It's quite a light floral fragrance, which is right up my street. But honestly, it just smells so good. This is the English Pear and Sweet Pea cologne. And I brought the kind of not mini, but not the large size. This is the £55 version. But this, I just think, is such a nice gift to give somebody, because it's also one of those things that, I don't know about you, but I don't buy a lot of fragrance myself. Obviously, I did buy this for myself, but that is also because I haven't bought a fragrance in a really long time. But I just think getting a little Jo Malone box on Christmas morning, you just can't go wrong. One of the other things that Jo Malone, I think, do really well are these super cute little tree decorations, which again, obviously you could put on the tree or you could just gift somebody on Christmas morning. I just love the fact that these are so cute, and also these are pretty affordable too. And then inside the little mini tree decoration, you have a very mini version of the English Pear and Freesia perfume, not to be confused with the English Pear and Sweet Pea, which is the larger one that I bought. But they have a mini version of that, and then they have a little mini version of the lime, basil and mandarin hand cream, which is just one of the best scents for hand cream in my opinion. And I just think that makes such a cute little decoration, and also a really sweet little present for somebody. Next up is another thing that I would absolutely love to see under the tree for me, and that is a box from Space NK. Now, what I love about Space NK is that not only do they just have the widest variety of products, they have the best brands on their site, but they also do the most stunning packaging. So along with the bigger box, you also get a little dust bag that obviously says Space NK with the products in, which I just think is a beautiful gift in itself. Another great thing about Space NK is that they do really great gift sets. I actually picked up two. We've got this one from Laneige, which, if you get dry lips or you suffer with dry lips in winter, which I do because it's obviously to do with the heating and the cold, etc., then they do a nighttime sleep mask, which is hands down the best lip sleep mask I've ever tried, and it is so good. But what I hadn't tried before were these lip balms, which, considering I use it every night, I also wanted to have something I could use in the day. What I love most about this though is that you do get all three scents within it, which is just a great way to not only kind of get one of your favorites, but also get others to try. So the three scents are Gummy Bear, we have Berry, which is my favorite, and then we also have Vanilla too. And what I love about these is that they're just so hydrating, especially during these winter months. And the best bit is that right now, Space NK actually have 25% off for Black Friday, including gift sets. I did not get 25% off this. I paid full price, but I'm going to be very happy to open this on Christmas morning. Another gift set that I picked up, which again is also 25% off now in the Black Friday sale, which I did not realise, is this from Tatcha. Now, Tatcha is one of those brands that I feel like you hear so much about, and I was really intrigued and wanted to try some more from them. So I thought a gift set would be the perfect way to do that. So in the set, you actually get a mini cleanser, and then you get a really tiny, cute little mini cream. This is actually the water cream, which is more for those who maybe have a bit more oily or combination skin, which is what I have. So I love the fact that you kind of got the cleanser and the moisturizer to try together. And the whole set is just, it's super cute to give. But of course, if you don't want to go for the gift set, you could obviously go for the full size version, because honestly, this face cream has so much hype about it. Everybody loves it, but it's not the cheapest thing to buy for yourself, which is why I think it's a great gift option to give somebody, because you're literally giving them the gift of great skin. So next up is one of my favorite hair care brands to not only gift, but to also receive, because honestly, I feel like their products have really changed my hair, and that is Philip Kingsley. I love this stuff. This is actually the Moisture Balancing shampoo and conditioner. And what I love about their products is that whether it's a shampoo or conditioner, you can literally mix and match and buy for your type of hair, either type or concern that you've got. So if you want something that's going to help with the color, if you want something that's going to help with moisture, if you want something that's going to help with, you know, anything else, you can kind of find what you're looking for with them. And we can't forget the elasticizer, which is honestly such a great hair mask. Not only is this a kind of weekly treatment that you can use, but it just really helps with getting your hair into a much better place. My hair used to be so dry, it used to be so brittle just because of the amount of kind of bleach that used to go on it. Since using that, it's an absolute game changer. I thought my hair couldn't grow past a certain point. I was wrong. I just wasn't using the right products, and the elasticizer massively helped with that. Speaking of hair tools, there are a couple that I think, if you really want to splurge, are great gifts to give someone for Christmas. And the first of which is just quite iconic in itself, and that is the Dyson Airwrap. Now, I've had this for, I want to say, about 4 years, and I use it pretty consistently. I did my hair with it today, so you can all see what it looks like. But I really love the Dyson Airwrap. I love the fact that the attachments just kind of give you whatever hair it is that you're wanting to achieve, whether you're wanting a bit more of a blowout, whether you're wanting a bit more of a curl, whether you want a bit more of a smoother finish. The only thing I would say is that the Airwrap is, one, it is expensive, and two, you've really got to know how to work it for your hair, because not every hair is going to get on with the Dyson Airwrap. But if the Airwrap is slightly out of your budget, I also have the Shark FlexStyle, which in all honesty is almost identical. There are obviously differences between the two. I do get a different result from both of them, but I like my hair using both. There's not one that I would say is definitely better than the other. If your budget can stretch, the Airwrap's brilliant. If your budget kind of can't stretch that far, the Shark FlexStyle is just as good. You pretty much get all the same attachments, and you pretty much get the same result, just ever so slightly different. And then another hair tool that I think is perfect to gift for Christmas, and I've definitely utilised my Christmas wishes to get one of these too, is the GHDs. I've had mine for, gosh, I want to say up until this summer, I'd had mine for maybe 12 or 13 years. I actually upgraded them because GHD were doing an offer where if you brought the new ones, which are the Cronus ones, and you sent back your old GHDs, didn't matter how old, you got like £100 off. So I took advantage of that and did that because I desperately needed some new GHDs for my hair, and they are a splurge, but honestly, I literally had 12 years wear out of mine. Like, on a cost per use basis, they basically pay for themselves. Now moving on to skincare. Now this is a set that I actually picked up in November, which they don't have this set anymore, but they have so many gift sets out there that you're definitely going to find something for the person it is that you're buying for. This one though, this one's pretty special. So I actually got this from QVC. Every year they do their kind of special buys, and Elemis is always included. But this year was a little bit more special because they had an exclusive fragrance called Vanilla Orchid, which is what I picked up. So this gift set actually includes 6 products, which is just insane. So we'll start with the body ones and then move into the skincare ones. So first up, we have the Vanilla Orchid Body Butter, which this is the exclusive fragrance that QVC had this year, and it honestly just smells as if you're in a spa. It's stunning. Oh, so good. Also in the Vanilla Orchid is the Bath and Shower Milk. Now I love this. I usually get the Frangipani ones, which last me for ages and I absolutely love, but as much as they did have that fragrance this year, I really wanted to try the new one, and I'm so pleased that I did. I cannot wait to start using this in the shower because it just really gives that spa vibe, but at home. So those are the only 2 products that actually come in the Vanilla Orchid because they're the body products. The rest of these products are in their regular, usual scents. And obviously, you can't have a gift set from Elemis without the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm because it is a cult classic. I love the fact that this is a new one because I always get quite a lot of enjoyment of taking the first scoop out. But if you've never tried this, this is just such a cult classic. If you want something that really melts away your makeup, this is just the nicest thing to use. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and glowy and clean, and it also smells great. And then also part of the Pro Collagen range is the Marine Cream, which again is a cult classic. There's a reason why so many people buy this and it's award winning. It is because it's good. It's also though really expensive, which is why if you can find a gift set with something like this in, it's usually totally worth your money. Oh, it just smells so good. All the Elemis stuff smells good, to be fair though. So this is actually a product I've never tried before, but it's still from the Pro Collagen Marine range, and that is this face mask. I cannot wait to try this because I've tried loads of Elemis products and I've honestly yet to find one that I didn't love and my skin didn't love. So very excited to give this a go. And then the final product in this gift set is actually one that I've used before and I've absolutely loved, and that is the Soothing Apricot Toner. I just love this. I love this in my routine. My skin really likes this. I always use it after cleansing. And yeah, it's just one of those steps that I don't ever miss out. I look forward to this part of the routine. So that has been my beauty gift guide video. I hope you found it useful. As a self-confessed beauty addict, I would love to receive every single one of these things on Christmas morning. So I hope it's given you some kind of inspiration or some guidance on what to buy, either yourself or the beauty lovers in your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.